Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So it is Vlogmas day 2. In today's vlog I'm just going to be finishing up my Christmas decorations, doing a bit of tidy up, cleaning and stuff. Tomorrow is Monday, so I need to get ready to go back to work, make sure everything's clean and tidy. Yeah, I hope you enjoy today's vlog. Hope everyone's okay, take care, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bag 1, quick grocery haul. Belvita breakfast cereal bars. This is the one with the strawberry and yogurt. Love those. Next thing, I've got a small watermelon. Then I've got some baby potatoes. Got 2 grapefruits. Two lemons, broccoli, got some Greek style yogurt, spicy potato wedges. I've got a medium whole chicken for my roast and then pork sausages. Okay, bag 2. I've got bread, some white loaf with sourdough, bourbons, toilet paper, chips, french fries, tea bags, PG chips, digestives, whole life milk, long life milk, brunch bars, last bag. Big old bottle of water. It's 5-litre water bottle. Hi guys, me again. So yeah, I'm just here. I've just made my bed. I'm just relaxing. I've got like all these things that are here by my bed. They are Christmas presents and I really don't have anywhere else to put them, so I've had to like put them behind my bed just to get them out of the way, so they can't be seen and stuff. Oh, that's bright. Okay, there we go, that's better. So yeah, those are Christmas presents that are just there until I have time to wrap them up and put them on the tree. Yeah, they're going to be staying there for a while. going to end today's vlog here. Thank you guys for watching.